Yeah, this is like literally it. Grana Padano. This is the cheese. No cheese yet. The gadgets will arrive at 4. I'm just lining up here for the quiz. Chat now. That's the Grana Padano. Good stuff. Good stuff. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to get help from chat while we do this. I'm really not sure. You're allergic to mango? No, like I never had that, and like my whole life, as far as I know, I never had any allergies, but okay. I guess let's go. Restart, and I'm not sure if I have to do anything. Okay, let's do. English. Not sure if this is time sensitive or not. Are you guys ready? Ready? Which country holds the record for the most medal won in the Winter Olympics Games? Canada, Norway, Germany. Which country holds the record? You guys, is it Canada? It would make sense if it was Canada, right? Please, Norway? Are you sure? Norway. Okay, I'm trusting you. Yes! Okay, we got it. Correct answer is Norway with a total of 405, 138 gold, 133 silver, and 124 bronze. Okay. Next. How many total medals has Italy won in the Winter Paralympic Games? Paralympic, not normal ones, just Paralympics. I would think a lot. So I would probably go with the max, but I'm not sure. Or 74. I'm going. Oh, you can select more than one answer? No, it was 74. 72. 74, yes, including, okay. How many countries participated in the Beijing 2022 Winter Olympic Games? How many countries? Oh, that's a good question. How many countries participated in the Beijing 2022 Winter Olympic Games? These are very specific questions. Who knows these? Like, you gotta go for... I would say not 74 again, because it was the one for the last. There are approximately 200 countries in the world. So yeah, I would go for 91. 91. Yes. Okay. A number that shows how sport can bring people together. Yep. Okay. How many grams of protein are there in 100 grams of Grana Padano? Oh. How many grams of protein? Probably like 26. I think that it's like a lot. Like it's cheese. 26? I'm gonna go with 26, you guys. I'm going. Oh, come on. Yes. I hesitated. Essential top cheese of athletes. The edition, when was the first? I'm pretty sure that it was in St. Moritz, the first edition of the Olympic Games. Was it before 47? The first edition of the Winter Olympics. Like 95% sure that it was in St. Moritz. Oh, fudge. Hey, come on. Yes. Yay! Oh, okay. They were initially called International Winter Sports Week, but it's so weird that it's not telling us when, where. What is the maximum speed reached in an alpine skiing race? Maximum speed reached in an alpine skiing race. Fast or very fast? Because like these are very close. Like there's a difference, but it's not that big.